Hi, welcome to our channel. My name's Dan. Out here on the old stone table. Today I have a beautiful little knife here. This is a cold steel fin wolf. It's a folding knife, obviously. Has a lock in the back. And it has a Scandi grind on it, which is very rare for folding knives. Should we try a quick Fatwood fire with this? This is real nice Fatwood here. This is Fatwood from South Carolina, from Tommy. I know you guys all know Tommy passed away. It's such a sad thing. Hi to Rita. Hope you're doing okay. Stuff's just like wax inside. It's one of my last pieces I have from South Carolina. Has a beautiful smell to it, of course. The fin wolf knife is very, very nice. This is our friend John up in Minnesota gave this to us. Beautiful knife. Nice bushcraft knife, but what's real nice about it is a folder. Came with a nice belt clip on it. I took that off right away and I put a lanyard on it. Makes it much easier to pull out of your pocket. And I don't have much luck with belt loops. They get caught on everything, the belt clips. Let's put a little bit of scrapings in here. And most people always use the back of their knives for the scrapings. You don't need to do that. I use the edge because it scrapes much better. Just my hands are just sticky, which is cool. My ferro rod that I keep in my kit here. This is a Nathan 407 1/2 inch rod that's 8 inches long. Got a deer antler on it that one of the very first deer I ever shot back in Iowa. See how the spine on the fin wolf is today. They're pretty good. There we go. Can't beat that. Look at that thing take off, guys. Isn't that amazing? That Fatwood is so sticky. Just dark smoke coming off of it. It's about 5:30 here in the Philippines in the evening. It's just about dark. Another half hour to be pitch black. We usually have close to 12-hour days every day of the year. Isn't that beautiful? Thanks so much, Tommy. I'll never forget you. Look like a match, huh? Take care, everybody. Hashtag 22 day no more. Go out, have some fun, watch your six really close, and by all means, be safe. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Take care. Thanks for watching. Take care.